how you can fix the problem in which the caller cannot hear your voice or you cannot hear the caller's voice. So to fix that, you'll have to just tweak some settings, and if that does not work, you might have a problem with your hardware. So before we start and before I teach you guys how you can fix this, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is very simple. You might want to just turn up your volume. Make sure that you've turned up your volume all the way up and try if that works. And if that does not work, just go to your settings, and when you're on your settings, go to accessibility, and under accessibility you will need to scroll down, and there you will see an option called audio and visual. Go to audio and visual and you will see phone noise cancellation. Just turn phone noise cancellation off, and after doing that your problem might get fixed. But if it does not get fixed, what you'll want to do is you'll just want to reset your settings. So to do that, go to your settings and go to general. Under general, just scroll down all the way down and find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. And after you're there, just reset all settings. Just type in your password and your phone will get reset. You will not lose your data, but your phone's settings will just go to default. And that should basically fix your problem. But if it does not, you might want to get your hardware checked. You might want to get your iPhone checked. So just do that and the problem will get fixed. So yeah, that is basically all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and